So, I'm Sean Romarate, your reigning Mr. Lisubu, and I'm here to simply just share some reports and where we came from and what are the accomplishments that we have achieved for this third edition.
So we are targeting 3 areas. We are targeting young professionals in the industry.
We're just living, right? We're just living. We're just here for acceptance, not just to be acknowledged, but to be accepted. So
Our very own reigning king, Mr. Sean Marate, had been participated to become the judge of their event. So yeah, we've also participated as a group.
We want to be there to represent our organization, we want to represent our community. Visible me.
the coronation night is going to be on June 28th. Kana sure na kana. The coronation night is on June